We're preventing further damage and maintenance costs by taking that piece of equipment at the time the incident is noted and actually maintaining it.
My name is Sean Faracco. I'm the Senior Vice President of Operations for City Furniture. We're a furniture retailer here based in South Florida. We cover anywhere from down to the Keys all the way up to the Central Florida area over in Ocala. You know, that checklist, that pre-walk-around, the walk-around inspection sheet, we used to have it as paper-driven, right? But really, that wasn't necessarily a good enough tool for us to really gather the right information, as well as protect the associate themselves from harmful scenarios.
The operators, they get an incentive for their productivity. When the machine's down and it's catastrophic because you didn't report something, they don't get that incentive.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, the operators want to have the equipment as maintained as possible. So we're preventing further damage and maintenance costs by taking that piece of equipment at the time the incident is noted and actually maintaining it.
Infolink has a lot of reports, right? And what we've been able to do is leverage some of those reporting.
It gives us a great idea how often our trucks are moving, or rather than sitting idle.
So it's also helped us from a standpoint of scheduling some of our resources to help utilize the equipment better and not overutilize and have too many associates, not enough equipment at certain times.